Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about MC USDT trading pair, merit cycle, potential targets for 2023 at the next upcoming bull run. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so first of all, let's start with the basic information, and I highly recommend you use DropStat because here you can find a lot of metrics, a lot of information just totally for free, just basic information. What do you have to know about the coin? So merit cycle, here's the circulation supply, now 66% total supply, now in circulation supply. So we got 423 millions on the market, and market cap now 170 millions. Let's go back to CoinMarketCap. You can find out the total market cap at the top here was in November 2021 around 458 millions. And look, the price that time was over than $10, $10.70. So it's pretty wild because now we are traded at 40 cents. And look, if we hit the same market cap what we got in November 2021, the price will be only around $1.10. This is example what can happen with the coin when you see this crazy wild number and you start thinking, oh, we definitely come back to this price again. We definitely, because we have to, because we're gonna see new bull run, you know, and every single altcoin will beat previous all-time high. No, it's not, because we got totally different circulation supply. One more example why ICO, we have to join only at bottom of bear markets or just in a bull run. Because look, ICO price was $2.57. So people just buying this coin at this price, and somebody, of course, somebody fixed this profit here, maybe. We don't know. But then we crash it. We crash it insanely. And imagine we are now much lower than even ICO price. And look, now we go to total market cap calculator, and you can use it's imbcrypto.com. It's pretty simple. You just take this current circulation supply and just count of the potential price for this token. So to hit even actual high $10, merit cycle have to reach a 4.2 billion market cap. Do you believe this coin can hit this target? I'm not sure, just to be honest. It's not a hate, it's not a fad, I'm not sure. So look, just to hit ICO price, $2.57, we have to reach a 1 billion market cap. So it's pretty big numbers, you know. Of course, you can tell me the Pepe reached this number, but it's totally different story, you know. That's why we have to analyze with my customer care set and take a look at what the whales do now with this coin. If we use this FIB and not count this week of this candle, we drop it down, find a support here, you know, and collapse it down. Now touch it 27 zone. Yes, of course, the worst case scenario, we can collapse it much lower, even to 50% and add 1-0 for MC. It's going to be pretty wild, you know, but I hope not. I hope not. That's why we have to analyze with customer cares what's going on inside this coin. Based on this FIB, we got here the touch of 61 level by FIB. Basically, we can go to the monthly time frame and we can close the gaps. The first one and the main one will be here. Next one, tiny, will be here at 23 level by FIB. And here's a tiny one. So sooner or later we'll close, fulfill 55 cents, I think easily. If we take a look on this chart and just hypothetically count 0.5 level by FIB, $6.39 is going to be only correction with $6.39. Look, $6.39, the market cap will be 2.7 billions. So it's pretty huge numbers, because sometimes people don't understand the big difference between millions and the billions. So that's why from this current low, where we got here in June 2023, hit 0.5 level by FIB, it will be pretty good gains, even from June 2023. It will be around 4,000% gains. It's more than good for altcoin like this one. To hit fulfill this 0.23 by FIB, $4 round number, 0.23 by FIB to 1,400, almost 1.7 billions market cap. Is it possible to hit this market cap, even 2 billions, 3 billions? I think yes, but I think it will be the top for this token. I can be wrong, but my recommendation is not financial advice. My recommendation to fix some profit in this zone and in this zone, so you will don't have any risk. And you know, the people who bought on ICO, they definitely sell their altcoins around this area, over than a zero level. They will just out at break even. Look, just human psychology. They just out of break even, and when they see the price continue move up, they can jump in once again at these levels, and it's gonna be the trap. Let's go back to weekly time frame. So most conservative prices for MC, just personal for me, is break even. You know, ICO price $2.57. Then $4, it's 23 level by FIB, and 0.5 level by FIB, it's a top for this token for this cycle. It's a $6.39. Of course, everything can happen. We can go to 16, 25, you can tell me, but just be realistic. With $16, this coin have to reach around 6.7 billion market cap. So look, we go to ranking, 6 billions, it's have to be in the top 10. It's over than Polygon now. So do you believe that MC reach this target? I don't think so. Also, pay attention for these events, for the upcoming unlocks. So here, 2.2% of total supply will be unlocked. Here's November 2023. 1%, 1%, 2.2, 1%, 1%. So we still got a huge unlock period. You know, and in total, we will see 632 millions coin circulation supply till till April 2026. During all this time period, 2023, 2024, 2025, you know, new coins will be added into circulation supply. That's why we can see the seller pressure, and the people can be trapped once again at this point. That's why $6 more realistic price. Because look, if we add, for example, 500 millions, so with $6, it will be a 3 billions market cap. It's like now over than Atom, over than Cosmos. So Cosmos ecosystem is huge. Just be realistic with your expectation, you know, when you take a look on the numbers, because not every single time we have to beat the previous all-time high. It's just a narrative.
Now let's go and double check this chart with my custom indicator set. And I'll recommend you go and watch this big tutorial how to work with my indicator set 6-in-1.
On a weekly time frame, we came into distribution zone. Of course, it's not super overhyped. Yes, we have a room for pump. That's why, yes, for 2,000% gains, 4,000% gains, it's more than the realistic numbers for this coin. Yes, I guess for the next cycle, but don't fall in FOMO. You know, now was in accumulation. That's why we pump it here. Here accumulation. Here was accumulation at lowest point. Here we kind of was 61 on the weekly, and we forming the divergence. Forming the divergence here, and June 2023. So we drop it down, forming the divergence, pump it. Now we're in distribution zone. If we go to the monthly time frame, we are in accumulation. That's why, yes, on a monthly, we can see the few months in a row, for example, 2024, we can hit $4, something like this one on altcoin season, then collapse it down to a zero level, build the support, and climb it up to new top. Correction to 0.5, $6.90, $7. So it's just my personal opinion. You know, you can have your own. I'm better if I would like to trade this coin. I'm better take a more conservative price target, take a profit, and just don't worry about the future of this coin. Next indicator is direction. Based on direction, yes, we lay down on the bottom. Now we pump it, but without any signal on a weekly time frame. On a daily, it's totally different picture here. We was in around 27 zone. We touch it, was in accumulation stage here, and pump. correction, pump. So now let's go to market mood. For us, it's really important to analyze now weekly time frame and a monthly time frame. Here on the weekly time frame on the market mode, we crash it from October 2022. The price was at a high 78 cents. We crash it to lowest point here in 217. It's a big difference, you know, from around $1 to 17 cents. We crash it this area, and all this time period it's a total disbelief zone. But look, now we came into a green zone. That's why I think more than possible to see $1.86 this target, and at this area everybody out of break even. Who joined it here, maybe who joined it even here with a profit, who joined it here, we make something like this one, build a support and pump one more time and start forming the 3 drives pattern to the top, because now we was in this belief zone on weekly and green zone now. Monthly we are in distribution. That's why step by step the big players can manipulate the price up and redistribute their coin. You have to understand the people who join it on ICO, you know, some big whales, big players, you know, they fix some profit here. Definitely, because they can be the insider trader. If we take a look now on trade on, based on trade on, yes, it was good time to buy here on a weekly. We got on a weekly here signal to buy till the top. It was 42%. Here signal to buy 53, and the last signal to buy was here on the next candle after the emergency 153 on a spot. So congrats everybody who joined MC and got the signals. Also, I recommend you use my indicator set in the complex, so not only this buy-sell signal. Take profit. Why we also drop it down and start pumping? Because look, we trade in 27 zone. We got a divergence on ADZ. We got a several signal to buy, confirmation to buy on a weekly. So it's pretty strong signal, and we trade under fundamental price. So all this data, you know, giving us the option to open long or buy on a spot. You know, now the fundamental value of this coin 51 cents. Take profit $1.40. So yes, we have all chances. Go close 50% of this weak candle, like you remember. Liquidate this stop losses, this stop losses. Liquidation of this stop losses will be exactly at take profit and around exit line. With some weak candle, we can touch zero level, $1.86. So we can trade long-term period just in this block, in this range. You know, between 17 till almost $2. It's more than good profit, you know. So don't tell me, oh, it is not enough. Look, guys, in June 2023, if you buy this coin at zero level, you got on the spot 1,000% gains. So it's crazy gains, you know. Most worst case scenario if we drop to 50% of this range, 18.27. So in this case, MC can add 1-0. And keep in mind, this is just my personal thoughts for this coin for the next end of bull run. So $6-7, it's more than good price for MC.
Guys, if you want to trade with my custom indicator set, what I showed you in this video, only for $1 per day, just write me DM. All links will be on the description below. And you have to know, this indicator set works even on the free TradingView plan.
Guys, I hope you liked this video about Merit Cycle. Write please in a comment what is your realistic price target for this coin for the next year and for the next bull run. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.